welcome back to my channel Cut Trade Tricks. As you all know, I love making drawings and I have no space to expose my drawings and show the people who came home. Today I found some place where I can paste my drawings and people can see and appreciate it. So this is the place where I am going to paste my drawings. These are the stickers, but I will remove it and paste my drawings. How will I do this? Let's see. What I'm going to do is I will make drawings with the measurement of the box. And there are 8 boxes, so I will make 8 drawings. As you can see, I made one drawing and starting my second drawing. So I done with my all drawing. So I will cut my drawings into the size I want. And now it's look like this. Here I have these plastic sheets with which I will laminate my all drawings, so that it will not destroy later. So I have no lamination machine, so I will iron it with my iron. I will place this plastic under one sheet and iron it from above. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happened. Yeah, it's already placed and it's laminated, hopefully. So I will done all my drawings like this. Now you can see my all drawings are laminated. I will cut it in the size what I need for the sticker. Now time to place it. I just cut the paintings and let the frame will be there, so I will place under that. See, my drawing is ready and I already replaced the stickers with my drawing, and whoever will come here and see my drawing will surely appreciate. If you love this idea, please like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching.